Tired of mountains of paperwork slowing down your real estate deals? In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to supercharge your ZipForms experience by integrating Docusign, so you can fill out and sign all your real estate documents electronically. First things first, you need to link your Docusign account to ZipForms. Navigate to your ZipForms dashboard and look for the Settings or Integrations tab. The exact location might vary slightly depending on your ZipForms version, but it's usually in the upper right corner or a prominent menu option. Once you've found the integrations, click on the Docusign option. You'll likely see a prompt to connect your account. Click on the button to initiate the connection. This will either open a Docusign login window directly or redirect you to the Docusign website. To authorize the integration, enter your Docusign username and password, and follow the on-screen prompts to grant ZipForms permission to use your Docusign account. Your accounts are now linked. Now, let's put it into action. Open any real estate document within ZipForms that you need to fill out and send for signatures. You'll typically find a prominent button, often labeled Send with Docusign, or a Docusign icon, usually located at the top of the document viewing area. Clicking this button will automatically export your ZipForms document into the Docusign platform. Docusign is where you'll add all your signature fields, initial boxes, date stamps, and any other required information. Simply drag and drop the necessary signature tags from the left-hand menu onto the document. You can assign these fields to specific recipients by clicking on the field and selecting the intended signer from the drop-down menu. Make sure to fill out all the relevant areas of the document within Docusign as well. Once you've strategically placed all your fields and filled in any required text areas, select your recipients and hit the Send button. Your clients will then receive an email with a link to review and sign the document electronically from any device. By integrating Docusign with ZipForms, you're not just saving time, you're simplifying your entire transaction process, allowing you to close deals faster. Happy transacting!